Welcome to online teaching. We are discussing chapter 7, changing cultural traditions. This is module 2nd. In first, we discuss about Renaissance, the major cities like Venice, Florence and Genoa and Rome that were responsible for Renaissance. Now here we will discuss about university and humanism. First we will discuss university. In 13th century in Italy, university was opened in Padua and followed by Bologna. These were the two places where we will be seeing the evidences that in Europe first university came into Padua and after that in Bologna. This was in Italy. This was the first. Okay. And commerce was the major subject that was taught. Commerce was the major subject because trading system was in maximum, export and import, calculation and other things were there. So commerce was most important. Okay. Now what happened? Beside commerce, lawyers and bankers were also in demand. It means when this subject was taught, for that lawyers and bankers were also required, even solicitors that can able to teach or tell about the rules and regulations, about the prohibitions, yes or no regarding the trading. Okay. And bankers, because money will be invested, money will be circulated, that is also an important thing. So in this Padua, this was the major subject, and the people, because during that time period the maximum thing that started to develop, because now into the medieval age the European civilization or the European community started towards the development as it was earlier during the Roman Empire. Okay. Now what happened? Even many of the, you may say, Francisco Petrarch, a famous poet at that time, and even Francisco Petrarch did a lot to develop the European society, and he was given the title of laureate in 1341. And what he did, he motivated the people to study about the ancient text, related to Greek and Roman, so that the people can be able to understand what is written in those. How the society, they are the base. It was his thinking. That would help the people to understand about the Renaissance, about the humanism, about the other basic things. So he was of the view so that the person not forget about their ancient culture. Okay. Now, after that we will discuss about the humanism. As you know, it is related to culture, the human civilization. It is a most important part. Humanism consist of subjects like rhetoric, grammar, poetry, and moral philosophy. So these types of the subject that were taught, they are related to humanism. They were the major subject, so that the people can be able to understand different topics, that may be rhetoric, that may be religion, the grammar, the poetry, and the morality. That are the manners and the etiquettes that were very important. And even what happened, Dante Alighieri and Giotto, they focused on humanism. They supported humanism, so that these subjects, Dante Alighieri and Giotto, they are the most important renowned person, or you may say famous person, related to the Italian Renaissance. They did a lot. They stressed on the religion, on the grammar, and other skills. These are the important skills. These skills will help the people to develop themselves. So it means what happened? Humanism is taken from Latin word which means culture, and it is supported by Cicero. And he was contemporary of Julius Caesar during that time period. So he was also viewed that humanism, culture, or the humanity, that are most important part. Okay. Now, here next was Petrarch belonged to Francisco Petrarch, that belonged to Florence. Florence city was a wealthy one, but in means of education it was less developed. When university opened in Florence, the people started to gain knowledge regarding this humanity or humanism, and that proved a lot. And these were the efforts that were done by Florence Petrarch, Giotto, Dante Alighieri, and even Cicero. These types of the person that helped. And who? Renaissance man was a multi-skilled person that has different knowledges of different subjects. That may be different subjects are there, and he is having a lot of knowledge regarding those subjects. So Renaissance man was of that type of the person.